Hi guys, this is Miss Tia. I'm going to show you guys a video today on how to feed the birds. I thought since it's spring, we could do a little project to feed our birds. All you need is a paper plate, some birdseed, some sort of either a toilet roll or your paper towel roll that you could use, in your house. And some peanut butter, or some sort of nut-free butter if you are allergic to nuts. So first of all, you take your cardboard roll and you spread your peanut butter all over the roll. This is a fun project kids love to do. They like to do hands-on things, so it's good to keep them busy, hopefully for a little while. And just spread the butter all over your cardboard roll. And this is all stuff birds love to eat. And since it's springtime, there's probably a lot in your backyard. So you spread the peanut butter all around your paper roll, and then you take your birdseed. I poured it onto this paper plate, but you could use a bin or anything to keep, the seeds in one place. And you just roll the birdseed onto the toilet paper roll, and you get this lovely birdseed. Very simple. I already poked holes in my roll, so just to make it easier, but you could use a hole puncher or a knife, just something. And what you do is you push your string through the hole, pull it through. I made 2 holes so it can go through on each side. And then you just tie it at the top. And then you can hang it onto one of your trees, and the birds will love to eat the birdseed. Well, thank you for joining me in my video. I hope you're all doing well, and hopefully this stay at home won't be for too long, and we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.